This was a field that I've always found interesting. Understanding the world and the way it ran and seeing things up close, that's what I was looking for, and protection, security, and investigations offer that to me.
I did prefer the more hands-on approach to the law field. So when I seen that Humber had PSI, I thought that it would be a good fit for me.
There were persons from police background, persons from the security background, persons from the investigative background. So I was like, yes, this is where I needed to be.
When I was reading about the PSI program, it was interesting how many fields of work I could enter, like being a private investigator, the border security option, and other things as well. It's a great experience.
We have faculty who have experience in government. We have faculty who have experience in academia. We have faculty who have experience in the corporate sector, and of course also faculty with experience in policing.
When somebody have experience and tell you that this is how it is, it causes you to be so rounded. So when situation hit us on the street, it's like, I know this, I got this, and it just flows.
The benefit of having very experienced faculty was that I could ask them questions about their personal experiences in the field, and that kind of gave me a good idea of what hands-on work would be like in the field.
One of the things that I think is special about our PSI program at Humber is the fact that we have a lot of experiential learning.
The labs were very hands-on. We would watch a video and we'd write reports on the video like we were actually at the crime scene.
A lot of the assignments have been very good. Every single week in open source intelligence, we've had to conduct some sort of online investigation.
For the group projects, I have learned a lot from other students because everyone thinks differently.
The security industry has traditionally changed. This opens up areas into risk. This opens up areas into fraud prevention, security operations center. A variety of areas have become a real need in today's environment.
If I was looking at a resume and I've seen that a student has come through the Humber program, I'll look at them a little bit more closely than maybe others, simply because I know that the education, the course load, and the content that they were provided is what I need and what I'm looking for when I'm hiring somebody.
Once I was looking at jobs in the field, things like open source intelligence, private investigations, physical security systems, cybersecurity, everything really had its place and it was very relevant.
When I see a student come into this program and maybe think that they want to do some sort of law enforcement role, transform into a student that's excited about lots of different security roles, that feels extremely rewarding.
I work in corporate security in Scotiabank. It has a lot to do with physical security systems. We had a physical security systems course in Humber. That course taught me everything about CCTV, alarm systems. Those definitely have come into play at my job.
I hope to go to the forensics program.
I was able to now move forward into special constable.
I've been very happy with my choice of Humber College.